Yes, guys. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo. It's amazing. Anyway, I got a little bit of baby spinach left back, and I decided I have to do something with it. You know what I mean? I didn't want to chuck it in the bin. I never did want to chuck it in the bin. And I said, you know what? I go cut up something with this today. All right. First of all, I got some. This is some spring onion, which I'm going to cut up. Alright, straighten it. Alright, we got white onion. I can use red onion if you like to, but you know, Chef Ricardo always I give the fans them things that them love. Alright, then I have yellow pepper. Yellow. No, this is green pepper. Yeah, alright, and then we have a tomato. I'm gonna put in it. And some simple salad recipe may I give the fans from the other day. Alright guys? Simple recipe. Nothing too complicated. That's it guys. Can't make this at home. So me I do it now. This is the way how I'm doing it right now. Alright, this is an older cucumber I'm going to be using. I'm going to make all of my fans them happy. I'm going to make my fans them happy. Alright, so very easy recipe, very easy and simple. Not only that, I'm going to put some fresh thyme. I have some fresh thyme left back. I'm gonna put a few fresh thyme in it. Just some fresh thyme for bringing a lovely flavor to it. Also, we're gonna squeeze half a lemon juice, lemon nice with cucumber. Alright, nice one. Not only that, we're gonna put some either vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil. But I love olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of the oil. Then what next we're going to do is to put a little bit of dry chili. I don't know about you guys, I love chili. I love my chili. Little bit of pepper. Get your spoon and give it a stir. Alright, so basically, as you can see, after you put in the thyme, take out that fresh thyme now. You know, you just want to get the thyme to roll it inside of it and give it a lovely flavor and a nice taste. So what I'm going to do now is remove the thyme. Guys, it's a wicked recipe, and this is a recipe I know you guys going to love it. And it's very easy, very simple to prepare, and nothing too complicated. So let me go to that one here. Because that one is on my heart, and I decided to share with my fans. So this is what's gonna happen. Get a bowl, and it's a simple salad. You can make this anytime, Sunday evening. Anytime you feel like to make it, you can make it. Get your salad, and it's just be a green. Look at that, man, really nice. We just keep the fans them healthy and keep the fans them nice. Alright, you don't have to put olive oil, and you don't have to put oil if you don't want to. But you know, I have a little bit of baby spinach left back, and I decided to do something for my fans them. Very easy and simple, guys. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe will be coming for you guys. Don't go anywhere. Please watch more video. Please watch more video, guys. Look at that. This is from Chef Ricardo's Salad Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more things will be coming for you. I love you all and stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google Plus me and get your favorite recipes and your favorite ideas to make things at home for you and your family. We love you all and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. This is from Chef Ricardo's Salad Bar channel. Bye bye.